Today, we're following a food delivery in Korea from start to finish. A new delivery request just came in. The current time is 10:10 p.m. The restaurant is 2.4 kilometers away. And today's order is Korean BBQ. It's around 10 p.m., but there are still plenty of cars on the road. Even at this hour, a lot of people are still out and about in Korea. I'm delivering in Enyang, a city located right next to Seoul. I've arrived at the restaurant. It's now 10:14 p.m. The 2.4-kilometer trip took just 4 minutes. This area is usually much busier than it is tonight. On weekend evenings, the streets are often packed with people. I've picked up the food, and now, it's time to head to the customer's location. Even late at night, many businesses are still open here. This is what the neighborhood looks like around 10 p.m. Even after 10 p.m., the streets are still active. In Korea, food delivery orders continue well into the night. That's why it's common to see delivery riders everywhere after dark. Another delivery rider just passed me on the left. I'm almost at the customer's location now, only about 300 meters to go. I had to stop for a restroom break along the way, so the trip took a little longer than usual. I've arrived at the building. All that's left now is to place the food at the door and take a delivery photo. The delivery started at 10:10 p.m. and was completed at 10:24 p.m. Even with a short stop along the way, the entire delivery took 14 minutes. The total distance traveled was 3.4 kilometers. This is a typical night in Korea, and this is part of everyday life for delivery riders in Korea.